Hello friends, today I am showing you how to create like this screen recorder editing and just completely full video as English community, and just please watch fully, and just file is protected by password. Please steal the video and just mention in my video. Okay, let's get started. Just click on bottom and just 16:9 ratio. Okay, and then selected background photo just like this. Photos link in description, please check it out, and just password as in video mention. Okay, I'm just selected anyone like this. Okay, you can see it, this is a wallpaper, so cool and just very complicated pic, and just I'm showing you how to do it like this. Okay.